Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming coverage where you live, so ask a local retailer or test mobile for G Signal now. Bring Aadhaar, address proof, a passport photo, and bank details for payments. This speeds verification. Go to the nearest Airtel store or authorized distributor and tell them you want broadband in the village. Request a feasibility check for FTTH or a fixed wireless CPE. Once they log your request, note the reference number and expected survey date. You're moving the process forward immediately. Once the survey is scheduled, the technician inspects route options, fiber pole length or where a 4G CPE must mount, and measures signal and line of sight. You choose a plan based on needed speed and data and confirm installation fees, deposit, and any monthly rental for ONT or router. Make sure KYC is completed and you sign the customer agreement. This locks the plan and allows Airtel to schedule the installation. Keep the scheduled date and be present during the tech visit to approve the setup. You oversee the final install. The tech runs fiber or mounts the fixed wireless CPE, fits the ONT, and configures the router SSID and password. Once connected, run a speed test and confirm service activation on your account. Make sure billing or ECS is set up so service isn't interrupted. If connection fails, power cycle the ONT and router, inspect fiber/antenna connectors, and check LEDs if still dead. Call support with your reference and device MAC/EMA so a technician return visit is arranged quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.